Bob and I are here to introduce you to an amazing 420-acre ranch. This ranch has a year-round spring creek. It is joined by conservation ground on two sides, mostly in lush pasture with over 200 acres of hay fields.
It has a 40 by 80 shop, a 40 by 50 hay and equipment shed, a 40 by 50 Quonset building, plus a big old hip roof barn.
It'll run about 125 cow-calf pair. There is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch-style home on it, and it comes with your very own eagle's nest. This is every man's dream shop.
It's 40 by 80, has radiant in-floor heating, 16-foot walls. It's plumb for a bath, and also has this 4-post lift.
There are two 14-foot doors, a 10-foot door, and it's set up for a loft area, could be living quarters.
For more information on this 428-acre ranch, give Kim or me a call.
We would love to schedule your own private tour.